In Clawstone City, young Leo watched helplessly as his father, Rufus, was killed by Fang, a ruthless gang leader. Swearing revenge, Leo sought out Sage, a legendary Siamese cat who trained him in combat and strategy. Leo returned to the city and began dismantling Fang's gang, targeting his lieutenants and rallying oppressed cats to his cause. One by one, he defeated Fang's enforcers, spreading fear among the gang and weakening their loyalty to Fang. Finally, Leo confronted Fang in a moonlit showdown. Using speed and precision, Leo outmatched Fang, knocking him down. Instead of killing him, Leo spared Fang's life and exiled him from the city. With Fang gone, Leo became a leader, uniting the cats of Clawstone and creating a safer, stronger community. Honoring his father's memory, Leo brought peace to the city and proved that courage and mercy could overcome fear and cruelty.